Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost online photo editor for any computer, tablets and smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So on your computer or tablet, or whether you are using a smartphone, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search this application name as Photopea, and on the first list you will see Photopea online photo editor. Just click on it. Now you will see its official website, right? So you can see here a close button on the right corner. Just click on it. Now you can see the photo editor. So here are some highlights what you can do with this photo editor. The photo editor almost looks like a Adobe Photoshop, right? So it's nearly equal looking like the GIMP also, and more probably it supports almost every photo formats. So how you can edit here? So you can see here a file written, right? Just click on this file and you can just click on open, say, and locate to the folder or the place where you have saved your picture and which you want to edit. Say I want to edit this picture, just select it and click on open. Now you can see this picture being loaded on the photo editor, right? Now you can use the same like the Adobe Photoshop or a GIMP photo editor. So say I want to crop this picture, right? So what I will do, I'll just use this crop tool. You can just right click also to select more crop tools, just like the Adobe Photoshop or the GIMP photo editor. I'll just select the normal crop tool. Now it will display you the crop tools, right? Now just do the same thing as you do with the photo editors. And if you want to drag this box, then just click on the left mouse click and just drag it anywhere you like. Say I want to just cut this or crop this area. Let me align this more. So I want to crop this much of these pictures, and you can see on the above a tick mark, confirm, or you can cancel it. So I'll just confirm it. Now the picture has been cropped. Now you can see if you want more options like the blur tools, then under it you can get the smudge tools, surface tools, everything that you get in the Adobe Photoshop or the GIMP photo editor. So looks almost like a clone of the Adobe Photoshop photo editor, right? So here is the text tool if you want to type anything on the photo, and here is a slice or pen and free paints, everything you can see here, a pen, and you can use this path selections, everything you get here like almost all the professional photo editors. So you can use it for professional purpose also, or if you just want to have a free online photo editor, then you can just visit to this photopea.com website and you can edit any pictures as you like. So once you are done, you can see here the file. Just move back your cursor to the file, just click on it. Now you can see here export as. Now under the export as you will see a tons of photo formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, GIF. Even you can import it as PDF, and that's not only that much. You can see below more. Now you can just export this WebP, BMP, TIFF, even like a .ico, that is the icon files, DDS, TGA, PPM. And the good thing is that even you can import is a raw file, which is rarely seen in most of the online photo editors. So you will get almost every photo editor editing, almost every photo formats that you can export after you complete your photo editing. So let us select let me select as a PNG here, just for giving you an example. Now it will display you the saving options. So here you can see you can increase the pixel size also. I will keep it as it is, and you can just move this one to the maximum level, and once you're done, just click on save and it will start downloading by your web browser. So here you can see here, well, let me open this picture. So you can see here the picture, you can see the picture here. So using this free of course online photo editor, you can easily edit in your respective computer, tablets and smartphones. So you don't need to install any photo editing softwares. So directly by using your web browser and going to this website photopea.com, you can easily edit any photo for yourself. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.